How did I end up with a cart full? It's kind of empty in here today. These mugs are cute. They're Gibson, but that kind of looks like a older stamp. They're very heavy. There's a few of them. I don't want them, but hopefully somebody else rescues them. These are cute. There's some little napkins. I like the linen and lace. Oh, this star is pretty. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh, look at this baby. Do we like her? Her little hands. Here's a chicken holder. That would be cute if somebody hadn't painted it in this real thick paint. I think this holds bowls, but that's not real brass. If it was, I would grab that. Birdhouse. It's a bunch of these gold pieces. I don't know what that makes. Oh man, this was one of those cute little Avon bunny plates, but it is all broken up. There's lots of toys in these bins. What is this? Some little cowlers. That's cute. I think this is handmade. I like them. I'm gonna add these to my cart. Found another rusty gold frame. I'm gonna have to start putting art in these and putting them on my wall because I have quite the collection now. Kind of like this lamp. Look at this gold looking, I don't know, whatever's happening here with the brass, the different colors of brass. I like this. I don't know if it works or not. What are these? Okay, I'm not exactly sure what these are, but the first thing that comes to mind is like a window planner or, I don't know, like an outside shelf. I've actually been talking to Ren about putting some plants outside of her window, so this might be perfect. And then she could put her own little pots in her plants instead of putting it in the ground. I don't have a lot of luck with putting plants in pots, but she might. So they're going to be super cheap here. I think I'm just going to grab both of them, and if I end up not using them, I can always just redonate them. Who donated Grandma's glamour shots? Look at these, and somebody lined them up on top right here. Oh, look at her with the puppy. All right, these bins are full. Hopefully they got some good stuff in them. More rusty gold frames. I am finding them everywhere now. Do I need more? I don't know. I'm just gonna put these in my cart and see how many I find. Maybe I'll just take the best ones. Here's a big basket. It's lots of issues. Oh my gosh! She is adorable. Oh, I love her. Definitely going in the cart. I thought this was brass for a second. I really like this lamp too. Unfortunately, it has a big chip right there. This would look beautiful painted, and probably a different lampshade. Oh, oh, do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Oh, I love her. I've never found an Easter bunny one. I always find these Christmas ones. She has a few stains, but that's okay. Look at the bow in the back. Oh, she's so cute. Definitely add to cart. This looks like it might have some vintage Christmas. It's a door hanger. Angel one. What else we got in here? Christmas tree. All right, let me add these to the cart and I'll see what is under this box. Got a backpack. Ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, yes, I am getting that. Some stuffed animals. Looks like that is it. I am going to get this lion though because my friend asked me to collect lions and tigers for a fundraiser that she's doing. Oh, it's been a while since I found some Scrabble pieces. Oh, I love these tins. Look at that. What else is in here? A little bunny rabbit. Wait, is it a bunny rabbit then a cow? What in the world? Okay, that's weird. Need that. Some little bears. What is this? Oh my gosh, that's funny. Need that. Vintage glasses. Take those. I like to put them in vignettes. Oh, look, here's another one. Let's see. Oh, what is this thing? Is this a little bride? All right, we got some weird, unique little items from this bin. Ooh, score. Look at these weird little elves. I hope these are vintage and not newer ones. I know the older ones are worth some money. What y'all think? Are these newer or older elves? They look, the outfits look pretty clean, but then the faces look older. I don't know, but I'm gonna get all of them. I dug through the rest of the bin where I found the elves, and I found a few more really cute vintage ornaments. Look at that. Look at this one. And bears. I'm gonna have a whole Christmas bear collection. I've been finding a ton of cute Christmas bear stuff. This just shows you there's always stuff to be found because nobody else has been digging through this, probably because they already have, and I've found a ton of stuff that I wanted. Everybody's just looking for something different. Ooh, I like this red toile pattern. I think this is a blanket, but it's pretty thin. That'd be good for a project. I need to upholster something, or even just have this coming out of a basket. That'd be cute. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Oh my gosh, is this a bunch of vintage sewing stuff? Let me be careful because there's always lots of, you know, what you call it, pins and stuff in here. I don't want to get poked. Okay, I need to find a Ziploc bag or something so I can look through this and pick out the stuff that I want. Okay, that was fun. I found some really cool buttons and other little things in there. Some thimbles, a tomato push pin. Look at this one. It says Memphis Police. There's a bunch of stuff up here. Oh, look, it has a bow on it. That is cute. Avon Crystal Treasure Box. I'm gonna get that. Candle holder. Ooh, I like this pink. No markings on it, but it looks older. That's pretty. I'm gonna get that too. I didn't dig through these bins yet, so there may be more of those cups in here. This looks like Falstaff. English Garden. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Well, it might just be that one cup right there. I did end up finding a yellow cup like the pink one. Found a vintage grabber. Bringing that home. Also, check out this beautiful quilt that I found. I think it was on somebody's cart because I found it just thrown in at the end of a bin. It is beautiful and in really good condition. Also got a little groom and a little bride doll. Love those. Y'all, how did I end up with a cart full? I think I'm gonna head out because I just got a lot to do and I feel like I got enough. Oh no, are they about to empty the bins? Okay, they're not. They were just gonna put some stuff out. I'm gonna head out. I hope y'all enjoyed today's thrifting adventure. Leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item that you found. Oh no, come back, little lion, I need you. And I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. And if you're interested in the items that I find out thrifting, you can find them on my website, juliesdesignsandscience.com, or on my Whatnot sales. I have them every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.